So we're going to do a little comparison. We have this drill right here. This is a Hitachi. This is only an 18-volt drill right here. And then this one is the LITHITECH, and this one is a 20-volt. So this one already has more voltage than this one. But I just want to show you a little bit about the weight because it's actually a big difference. And if you're doing a project that is like sheetrocking or something where you got to constantly use a drill, it's going to catch up to you. You have this one here. And this one weighs 3 pounds, 11 ounces. And then this one is a pound less at 2 pounds, 11 ounces. So one is a lot less. And then another thing to point out is this one is going to have, they both have the high and the low right here on the top. This one goes up to 22 for the torque, and that one only goes up to 18. However, this one's really powerful because it does also have that 20 volt. So that is a nice feature. This one also has, tells you right on here as far as turning and spinning and gripping it, and just some information right here on the end. And it has the two in here to do the difference for the tightening for the drill bits and everything like that. And this one also has a little LED light. So when you click on it to go or press it down to hold it and spin, you're going to get that LED light. This one does not have that. There is a lot of them out there that don't have that. So that is one thing that I really like about this one. It will always light up no matter if it's dark or if it is light. So I'm happy the brand sent me this to review because it's been working great. And I like that it is a lot lighter and for bigger projects and easier to carry with you.